today's lesson, we're going to look at how you can use ChatGPT in Power BI to help you connect to various data sources. And we're going to start with the most basic data source or mostly used data source. And this is Excel and CSV. So this is the question that I want to, or prompt I want to send to input in ChatGPT. And here we get step-by-step instructions of how we can import our data. That is an Excel file into Power BI. Open the Power BI desktop, launch Power BI desktop, get data, select Excel, navigate to your Excel file, select data, transform, which is optional, load data, data model, refresh data, which is optional. And I think this is very thorough. If you have worked with the Excel files before in Power BI, as you can see, these steps are easy to follow through and achieve exactly what you want. So if you're a beginner and you want to understand how you can step-by-step import an Excel file into Power BI, I think in this so far, ChatGPT has been very helpful. We're going to ask the same question for CSV file, and we're not going to repeat the question as we did. So we're going to ask as you can see, it understands exactly what we were talking about before. So it's able to pick up the conversation easily from where we left it. Importing data from a CSV, that is a comma separated values, file into Power BI is similar to importing from Excel. Here's how you can do it, and goes ahead and gives you step-by-step instructions of how to do that. So we can go ahead and input a different data source. Let's ask a blank query. So I'll ask and right there we get the instruction. Importing data from a blank query in Power BI is useful when you want to create a custom data source or generate data programmatically. Here's how you can import data from a blank query. Open Power BI, get data, select blank query. In the get data window, choose blank query, enter query, load data, data model, refresh. From there, the other steps are similar. The last data source we are going to input here is one that is maybe not very much used. So I'm going to type Jethro. I don't know whether you've worked with that before. I haven't, so just type that and see what we get. It seems you've mentioned referring to specific related. Okay. It seems we lost it there a bit. So it's a database technology company that provides solution for accelerating SQL series on big data using columnar storage architecture. Goes ahead to tell you what it is. So I don't think it picked what we want, so we'll just say, just copy the first question and then you can paste it there and then replace Excel. Then you get to import data from Jethro, connect using Power BI built-in connectors, and you can get the step-by-step instructions of how you can do that. So as you can see, if you're not familiar with any data source or how to import, that is how ChatGPT can help you import data from any data source Even if you're not familiar with it, you can get step-by-step instruction of how you can do it. That's going to be the end of this lesson. Join me in the next lesson as we look at commenting and creating DAX formulas using ChatGPT for Power BI. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe.